Good morning, students. After completing the gender, that was the second chapter, and this is singular and plural. This is the third chapter. Okay, until here only we have to prepare for your pre-med exam. So now let's start this singular and plural. So this thing we have learned isn't in our previous classes also. When we have to make a choice, between the singular or the plural, isn't we are applying the concept of number in grammar. Means singular and plural, what does it mean? Singular means single, when anything one in number, okay, single. And when that thing is going to be more than one, then it is said to be in the plural form. So when we just apply the concept of number in grammar, that is said to be in a singular and the plural. Okay, number matters in the use of nouns, pronouns, determiners. Determiners means like this, that, isn't? And when we used to make their plurals, so this, what's going to be? These, that, those. Okay, like this one. And verbs in the simple present tense. As you people do know that we have to change the verbs in the simple present tense by adding s or es. It depends upon the subject. So as you can see here also, these are number, singular and the plural. Noun, butterfly, butterflies, plural of this. Pronoun, he, we. Determiners, this, these. Verb in the simple present, you can see the verb here, isn't? That is the flies, fly. Because this change depend upon the subject. If your subject is going to be plural, then always your verb is going to be singular. And if this is going to be singular, your verb is going to be plural. You can see here the difference, isn't? Now let's talk about the plurals. In English, plurals are generally formed by adding s or es to the singular form of the nouns, isn't? And plural formed by adding s or es to the singular noun of forms of nouns are called the regular plurals. What we call, when we add this s or es to the noun, it is said to be regular plurals. Okay, and as you can see here in the example, so the example is also written here, that there are many words where we have to add only s or es for making their plural. You can see here only s we have added. Umbrella, umbrellas, road, roads, bus, buses, wish, wishes. Es we have added, isn't? So what they are called? These are called as a regular plurals. Regular plural means when we add s or es to the given noun, then it is said to be a regular plurals. Okay, now just see, have a look here. Irregular plurals. Okay, what is irregular plural? Plurals which are formed in any other way are called irregular plurals. Plurals which are formed in any other way are called irregular plurals. Means, as you can see here, man, men, child, children, mouse, mice, foot, feet, wish. Sorry, this is not going to be here. You can see here. Now rules for making the plurals. With most nouns are simply add s to the singular to get the plural form. As you have seen that there are many words where we add only s or es to make the plurals, isn't? You can see here. And where we add es, this also, just see. When a singular ends with the sounds made by the letters s, z, sh, ge or ch, then what we have to add there, that is es. Okay, this you have to learn, or you have to keep in your mind, that when the noun it ends with s, z, sh, ge or ch, then we have to add there es to make the plural. Okay, add only s if the singular end in e, and if your singular it is ending only with e, then you have to add there only S here. As you can see here, this excuse, this is ending with E, isn't? So only we have to add here S. Now, just see here. When the singular ends with the sounds made by the letters, that is P, T, K or TH, then we have to also add their S to make the plural. Words ending with P, T, K or TH, then also we have to add their only S. For noun ending in Y, okay, and this also we have learned that words sometime might be, you have seen that the words ending with Y, sometime we add only S after that and sometime we add IES after that, isn't? So this change is due to when your last word, when the Y, it is going to be followed with this vowel, consonant one, okay, this Y, it is followed with a consonant, then you have to add here, that is IES at the place of Y, isn't? You can see here, this Y is also followed by this consonant, this Y is also followed by this consonant, isn't? So here at the place of this Y we have added here IES, okay. So if your Y is going to be followed with a consonant, you have to add here IES, and if that Y is going to be followed with vowel, then you have to add there, that is S only. You can see here, isn't? Boy, boys. Here Y is followed with a vowel sound, vowel. Then you can see here also vowel, Y is followed by vowel, then you have to add here only S. Singulars ending in O usually form plurals by adding S, but some such words need ES to make the plurals. Words ending with O, generally we use their S, but sometime we also use that is ES. Can see here, photo, photos, potato, potatoes, buffalo, buffaloes, isn't? In the plurals of the noun ending in F or FE, the F or FE is replaced by VES, isn't? This F or FE is going to be replaced by VES, but this is not necessary. Sometime this F, isn't? Some nouns ending in F, however, make their plurals by adding S. Sometime we add S also here. The plurals of a small number of nouns are formed by change in the vowel. See here, the plural of a small number of nouns are formed by changing their vowels. Means these are some small number of nouns are there and we have to change here their vowels, isn't? Here double O, foot, feet, goose, geese. You can see here vowels we have changed here, man, men. And there are some other nouns also that do not change in the plural. Okay, some nouns are there which do not change into the plural, just like a sheep, deer, fish. Okay, fish, sheep, deer. Some nouns are always used as a singular, though they sounds like plural. Might be you have heard, isn't, that there are certain nouns which sounds like plural, but always they are singular. As you can see, news. Have you ever heard that is new? That is going to be a different word, new, isn't? Always we used to say that news, not new. It sounds like plural, but it is singular. Politics. This is also sounds like plural, but it is singular. Billiards. This is also sounds like plural, but it is singular. Now, can see here, some nouns are always plurals. And there are some nouns which are always used as a plurals. For example, scissors, binoculars, trousers, means which we use in pairs. We can't use the single pair of it, isn't? That the scissors, binoculars, trousers, they always remain plural. Okay, and if we have to make the singular of this, then this thing we have to add here, a pair of scissors, a pair of binoculars, a pair of trousers. Okay, so these things also you have to keep in your mind. Now let's do some exercise based upon it. Fill in the blanks correctly using the singular or the plural form of the words given in bracket. The dash was cancelled because of rain. So the match was cancelled. Match. Isn't the match was cancelled because of rain. Dash had 3 little dash. Option is Himesh and Puppy. So here in the first blank we have to write that is Himesh had 3 little. Puppy is written here. So 3 little, what's going to be here? It will be puppies. Okay. Salluram was caught by the police for killing dash in the forest. So deer, as I told you that always it is going to be same. Okay, they do not change into the plural. Dash trees are very cold. That in option it is given that, but here according to trees what we have to add here, this determiner is going to be changed into those. Okay, that those trees are very cold. Dash and dash are pest. So dash and dash are pest means mouse and loose are pest. Some kings had many. Here in bracket it is written wife. So many, it's going to be wives. Okay, some kings had many wives. There are 2 jeans in her bag. I am not afraid of the ghost. This table also you have to complete. Okay. So now let's complete the table of this one. Colleges, college, hotel, hotels, sister, sisters, proof, proofs, trousers, a pair of trousers. Here we have to make the singular of the trousers. So I have written a pair of trousers. Okay. Pockets, pocket, doctors, doctors, hoof, hoofs, echoes, echo, foot, feet, hands, hand, box, boxes, child, children, salesman, saleswoman, child, children, salesman, salesman, prizes, prize, candy, candies, scissors, a pair of scissors, tomato, tomatoes, spice, spy, mouths, mouth, loaves, loaf, tooth, teeth, day, days, lips, lip, lips, this one. Okay, so only this much was there in the singular and plural, and this is your 4th chapter. Till here only we have to complete. So your homework is you have to write these exercises in your rough copy and you have to learn it. Thank you and have a good day.